One Sparta!
Yeah, people say you don't know that time there, you know. When I talk about that time there, Reggae Vibes Media, they have to get up. Latest update. Guess what I go on? Guess what I go on? Better can't tell me what I go on. It's been years. It's been a while. You know what I mean? It's been a while, but we hear music from the artist, you know. Yes? But it's been a while the artist has been incarcerated. Or when I say incarcerated, lock up. You know? Lock up when I want part when I want place and in fans them I say, John, when my artists can come out the road, come drop some hot song and drop some of my type of style and music them me love. You know? Yeah, in fans them a ball for years and right now, yeah, today, finally, Tommy Lee Sparta. Yeah man, free up from Horizon. You see me I tell you the artist emotional. You see me I say look on the clip the right there so. Yeah man, right there so you see him hug her up. Yeah man, you know how long him no feel a warm embrace there. Yeah, right there so. So I know so the people them go, you know, give him a warm welcome when time reach home. And I know so the artists can put out some nice music. You see me a second, could have done have them plan up already, because you know artist is always an artist. Incarceration, outcarceration, it doesn't matter. You see me I say the man they get inspired and, you know, motivated for write music pertaining to them life. You know what I mean? Experiences, the things that them go through, the things that them encounter. You see it? Yeah, right now people see it there. See it there? The artist out, free, up and about. So Tommy Lee just go and big up yourself, you know, bro. You know what I mean? And just go and do the right thing. You there road, do the right thing, bad boy. Set the thing the right way and do the thing the right way. Yeah, man, if you don't subscribe yet, please just subscribe. Press a little. Yeah, I read something there right over there. Said Reggae Vibes, notification, bell there right there so too. So just go so boom and just touch that same time. So anything we at from Reggae Vibes Media, yeah man, you get the notification. Boom, bang, 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 bang. So with there I know. Yeah man, Tommy Lee, big up yourself in the freedom, in bro. Yes man.
Yo, my brother, walk on, you good?
Yes, man, I bought it up.
Alright, so we're there, not far from your place. And right now, you come out and you give an excellent performance. Tell the fans what can they expect for 2019 from Tommy Lee.
You don't know when I be a badness. Everybody else knows, say, enough love, unity, strength, we say. You don't know, be a hot track, be a new work, I come out. Just look out, you see me? Yeah, man, bought it up.
Alright. What keep you consistent with it after it? Because there's a lot of competition in the business, but you always stay trending and always find a new song and a hit song. What difference for Tommy Lee?
Yeah, that's me, you know, that's me. I just have to be myself, that's me. I even can't study myself. Nobody can trust themselves. They will say, you're not good on the road, you walk good on there, you know.
You're Moby and also Kingston favorite. I want you to give Reggae Vibes Media some exclusive for 2019.
How we go? Bolo from it, tutu. Up in the clue, girl, and this so you fi go.
Big up yourself, Tommy Lee. Full joy yourself.